Hello everyone, I am EMI Mustafa. Welcome back to Ornate Pixels. Today I am excited to begin my Masterclass series LED TV Repairing A to Z Part 1 Basics. I will take you through the core basics that every technician must master. In this step-by-step tutorial series, I will discuss the internal structure of an LED TV panel, the T-con system and all the sections of the main board. In this series, we are going to master every technical section of an LED TV step by step. So let's get started. All the LED TVs start their work from the SMPS. So let's start the discussion with this PWM controlled SMPS section. This is the AC input socket. Right next to it is the safety fuse, which is directly connected to the live line for protection. It is an alloy of tin and lead with a low melting point, melting instantly to cut power and protect the entire circuit. Next, this is the EMI Filter Coil. EMI stands for electromagnetic interference. Industrial EMI travels through the power lines. This EMI coil filters out most of the high frequency noise before enter the sensitive circuit. A shorted EMI coil can cause picture flickering and noise in the TV display. Next, this component right here is the MOV. MOV stands for metal oxide varistor. And this is the electrical symbol for an MOV. The MOV is connected across the outgoing terminals of the EMI coil. Now look at the code. Here 20D stands for the 20 mm diameter of the MOV disc. Then 39 and 1 means 390 volts. And the letter K indicates the tolerance, which is usually plus or minus 10%. So this MOV will handle up to 390 volts. In case of a sudden high voltage spike or lightning strike, it will instant short circuit and blow the fuse to protect the circuit. Next, we have the 0.47 microfarad 280 volt capacitor. It is connected in parallel with MOV to filter high frequency noise and ensure clean AC supply. Next, we have the NTC thermistor. The acronym NTC stands for negative temperature coefficient. As you can see, it is now placed in the symbolic position within our circuit diagram. Friends, you will discover the role of NTC in keeping the SMPS circuit safe in the next episode. Stay well. Thank you so much.